ticker symbol PDSB, has basically been putting in some higher lows and grinding up for 2 days going into the weekend. I would keep my eye on this thing just for the simple fact that we have been putting in higher lows. Right there and then right there. So looking decent. Another one that was looking bullish today, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to keep your eye on here. This PACW. Another play off the watch list, ticker symbol SFR. Looks like this thing basically popped the prior trading period pre-market and faded, and actually tried to make a run. As you can see here, we were able to at least get back up to about 43 cents, almost 50 cents at highs. But I mean, whatever, it's a penny stock. One to keep your eye on nonetheless. Another one off the watch list. This thing got as high as about 25 cents. Decent resistance up there though, but still giving you some decent range volatility to trade off of intraday, especially if you like trading these low float, small cap penny stocks, piece of shite stocks, some may say. Ticker symbol ONCR. Basically another one that popped pre-market. Decent pop pre-market here, but as you can see, profit taken ensued immediately, and this thing actually gave it all back plus some. But still proof of concept, and that with the right catalyst and the right attention, this thing can pop. Again, that's ticker symbol ONCR. Ticker symbol EFTR, Effector Therapeutics. Another one off the watch list. And I'm telling you, man, you guys should really think about taking advantage of this watch list, bro. Guaranteed runners on this thing every day. Another example of a small cap that can move when it wants to. And as you can see, this thing popped during pre-market from about 50 cents all the way up to $1.25. So decent, 75 cents or so. Did have a profit taking cycle, which is normal. However, didn't give it all back. Gave back about half, if that, and then actually made another run, actually made a new high on the day before profit taking ultimately ensued. That's why good risk management should be first and foremost on your priorities. Ticker symbol ELEV, Elevation Oncology. Another one off the watch list. And as you can see, it's still a small cap, but it's not a penny stock. Basically, I started briefing on this thing a few days ago. It's been on the watch list for a few days. So, I mean, take advantage of that watch list, bro, and you'd be aware of plays like this. But anyways, this thing started running from $2.40, showing some proof of concept yesterday when we popped from 240 up to about 310 at highs before giving some back and then in the normal profit taking cycle. However, what you notice is that after the profit taking, we did actually maintain a higher low relative to where we started running from. And that is going to be one of your most important attributes that you look for in a multi-day runner. Higher low, next day pre-market, showing some proof of concept with some volume and some interest, and right on schedule, another profit taking cycle, which is actually normal. You actually want to see that if you're bullish on the stock, as long as we maintain a higher low and keep stepping up like we did again right here, running into the open, getting as high as about 580, 590s before another profit taking cycle ensued right on schedule. However, we are maintaining another higher low. Interesting thing about this higher low is this resistance has now become support. But again, that's ticker symbol ELEV, Elevation Oncology. Ticker symbol PDSB, PDS Biotechnology Corp. And as you can see, started showing proof of concept the prior trading period where we started running pre-market right on schedule. Profit taken ensues. However, we did maintain a higher low relative to where we started running from. Obviously on the watch list, which is going to be a SOC sell or SOCCESS, but since the semiconductors have been so bullish, obviously, you know, Soxel is going to be super bullish as well. Good thing about this one is you also get, 3 times leverage when trading this instrument. It's very useful as like a kind of inverse gauge for where tech, or how tech's doing most of the time. If the semiconductors, specifically NVIDIA, keep running in the trend that we're on right now, you can expect this thing to keep running right along with them. Again, that's Soxel, ticker symbol SOXL.